Here we are on the West End, beautiful Panama City Beach. What do we got today?
Absolutely, we have this great little beach house. Could be used for primary residence, could be a getaway. I love the West End of the beach because you have all that's special about the West End, but also you have proximity to 30A and all the fun shops and eating over there.
Absolutely. Let's go check this beauty out.
Awesome. We're over at this cute little house on Pompano. Open concept kitchen and living room area, lots of natural light flooding in, and you've got the interiors freshly painted. Off of the kitchen and living room area, we've got a bonus room, or Florida room as we like to call it over here in Florida, which again, lots of that Florida sunshine cascading in from your beautiful backyard.
So welcome into one of the 2 en-suites available here. This is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, open concept, and I just love this precious little place. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got that listing link there for you.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals.